All right, today we're making a bow by hand, and yes, I'm using my budget ribbon. Okay, here we go. How hard can it be? Loop number 2, yay! Okay, all right, got a little struggle going on right here, and another loop. Okay, all right. I'm feeling it, and there we go. This is exactly how I feel when I'm making a bow by hand, guys. This is the oven mitt special. A little bit on the struggle bus here. Come on, you can do this. I got this. Ugh. Anyone else feel that way sometimes? That's exactly how I feel. Got the other loop going, and okay, so it's coming along. Looking pretty good. All right, now time to cut that tail, and let's add the other ribbon. Okay, there we go. Yep, and we drop it down just like that, and it's rolling away in the background there. Okay, all right, I'll see it in a minute. Okay, keep on trying, and that's one loop. Hands are feeling it. Yep, okay, there we go. Okay, just a little frustration. Alrighty, and there we go. And cut that. Okay. Put on the zip. Get that piping. Alright. It's harder than I thought it could be. Now, let's bring in the big guns. The bow maker. Look at that. Fast, neat, flawless. Practice is great. It is. I need to practice more, but sometimes tools exist for a reason. No shame in using them, y'all. On the left, perfection by design. On the right, chaos in oven mitts. Sometimes you just gotta let the tools win.